Good day guys, welcome to Trendywood channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can achieve this sticker. It's actually a sticker that's a yellow sticker in over form, how you can achieve it. So let's just dive into the video. So let me just save this as project so that we are not going to lose our original job. Okay, now let me hide everything that you're seeing here. Everything you're seeing here, let me hide it. Okay, so this is our background. Now this is the size of the image. The width is 2480 while the height is 1748. So this is the size of the image. Now in flyer, this is A5 size. That's when you want to print it. Tell the printer you want to print an A5 flyer. They will size it on the system, then print it out for you. Okay, so first thing you will do, don't forget we are working with over shape because the client asked me to do the flyer on over shape. So you enter your enter your shape. This is a shape I just created. Then you cover the shape, centralize it, let the shape cover the canvas, like cover all the thing, all the space that is provided. Then the second thing you do, go to shape again, select your shape, enter your cycle. Now let me change the color so that you can see what I'm doing clearly. So from this cycle now you form your oval. So first thing you do is that you drag from the edge here, you also drag from the bottom, you also drag again, you drag, then now you can make it be depending on how you want it. Then you can centralize it. We've created our oval shape, right? So what do we do next? You merge the white shape and the black shape together. You lock them, go to your erase color. Now immediately I tap this erase color, the white color will automatically be erased because this thing is meant to take off plain colors, but I will show you how to pick color different from white. So the white is gone. Since we are not working with the white, you tap on this touch icon you're seeing here, then this is your picker, you pick your black, tap your good, you see. Then what you do now, come back, you change the color. Now if you observe, there are white particles of black. So what you do, you enable it, then you change it to your white. Are you seeing? So that's how it is being done. Now we've gotten our oval shape. Now let's go and get our background. So this design actually will be in section because there is a section that I designed the text. So that section I will show you guys how I actually designed that text. So I will post the continuation of this video, just stay tuned. So this is the background that I used. So what I just did was that I centralized and I took it down and drop it at the down of that oval shape that we created. Then it has given me that look. So what I will do next is my logo is here, let me just bring it up. The name of the church, let me just bring it up. Then everything is ready for now. Okay, then now my 2025, how was it created? So this is what I did. Actually, I've done it before, but for those who are new to this channel, this is how I did it. So I entered to increase the color, sorry, I increase the size. Let me pick a font. So this is the font. This is one of my favorite fonts so far. If you've been following me, you know that that's one of the font I use often. Like I use it back to back. I love the fonts. So what I will do is I will copy, then I will enter my 0, and then I will go to stroke. I will stroke it. I will increase the stroke, then I will drop it on top. So please guys, kindly subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friend, and if you want to join my Telegram community, please do well to check the description of this video. You will see a link that will lead you to the Telegram community. So you also duplicate it, you also enter your 2 again. So you duplicate the last one, then you put your words, you put your 5. Then what you do at this moment, you drop it, then you drop it, align it, drop it on top, like so that stuff will show, that cutting stuff when you cut it finish. Then the next thing you do is centralize it, then you merge them together, all the letters, merge everything together. Then also go to your color picker, erase color, you erase your color, you pick it. At this moment now, these are 2 different independent colors, so you'll be done to pick what you want to erase. So you erase it like this, then go to your setting. Now let me just show you a trick on how to choose color alongside in this video. So now I will be choosing color from the background. Now first of all, there are different types of color here. So now for instance, let's take this one first. Then now let's copy this color code. Now this is one of the easiest cuts in choosing gradients colors. So come to this side, put that same color code, just put that same color code. Then what you do now is make this other side lighter, then you change your layers like this. Are you seeing? So come back again, make this other side a little bit more yellow, to make it more yellow, to get that more yellow vibe. So you can as well make it, are you seeing? So all you have to do is just, this is a gradient of light and dark. I'm using dark color of yellow, or dark color of yellow. So let me just quickly bring in the main text. So I've done like I told you, this text I've manipulated it on Pixellab. So I will show you guys that on how to do it. It's a different tutorial. That's why I told you this guy, this thing is in series. So the next thing, I went to my inner shadow. Then I picked, I brought in one of the colors. Then I reduced the color a little bit, to give it that sharp look. Then what I did was I copy, then I bring in the year. So please guys, just subscribe, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to join my community on Telegram. In there I will be sharing design resources every week. Even not only design resources that I did, but as long as is resources that I know that as a designer you will need it, I will share it there. So don't hesitate to join. So this is the year. It's part of the design, but I cropped it out and decided to bring it in parts. So this is the Bible. This is the text of what? This is the text. That's the text. So this is how that design was being achieved. So please guys, kindly subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.